Auto-optimize settings give you more control over the optimization experiments that Google runs on your behalf. It lets you select the percentage of users that you want to show optimization experiments to. For AdSense for content, Google recommends at least 50% of your traffic. For AdSense for search, Google recommends selecting at least 5% of your traffic for auto-optimize. To get started, sign into your AdSense account. Under Optimization Experiments, you will see your Auto-Optimize settings in here. Select Auto-Optimize On, and here, set the percentage of users that you want to show optimization experiments to. Again, Google recommends at least 50% of your traffic for AdSense for content. Use this slider to select the percentage of your traffic, and your changes will be applied to future experiments. Blocked experiments here, use this setting to remove an ad style that you don't want auto-optimize experiments to run on. For example, vignette ads or anchor ads. Anything you select here means auto-optimize experiments will not run on them, and this will only be applied to future experiments. Once you're all set, click on Confirm, and if everything looks good in here, click on Save Settings.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.